So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to channel about everything. Like if you need career growth, you are in data, you wanted to have a good skills, or you wanted to upskill your career or upgrade your career. So everything is on this channel. So we are going to talk about the hot topic, that is data analyst role dead? Data analyst role dead is a question that is coming up in everyone's mind. Reason being, there are so many AI tools, there are so many trendy tools, there are so many advanced tools available in market like Power BI, Tableau. There are AI integration in these tools, and this is the thing which is making other people afraid of losing their job, because there is an insecurity in everyone's mind because of the AI tools and the hype of AI. So in this video, we are going to cover this, whether we still have to learn about data analysts, whether we should learn or not, or we should stop doing that. So we are going to cover all these questions which has been coming up in my DMs, we are coming up in email or WhatsApp. So many students are asking the same question, so I come up with this video so that all the queries that you have in your mind get cleared and you focus only on your studies, whichever is required for your future. So stay tuned up till the end of this. So the number one factor that we are afraid of is the AI tool. If I'm going to provide a file to AI tool can easily analyze the data and can easily give you the analysis as well. You can just mention that I am looking for the financial analysis from this file of Excel, CSV or any XYZ file. You just have to provide that file, and all these AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot can do this. But there is one factor which is missing from AI tools, which we all are aware but not taking it as a important consideration. First thing which I feel is, like, companies are not going to provide the entire data to the tools, because these tools are also under some companies. Like ChatGPT is created by OpenAI and Gemini is by Google, and other tools or other platforms are also there, and companies are very much serious about the data that they have collected. They are serious about the leads that they have on their websites. They are serious about the clients that they have the high quality filtered clients. So they are not willing to provide that client data to any of the AI tool, because if they are going to provide the same client, because every businesses are working on the client basis. People need client, businesses need client. They are working on digital marketing team, they are spending amount on digital marketing team so that they can collect those leads. If they are going to provide the same data to other company, maybe other company can start a parallel business selling those leads to someone. Like multiple companies are doing the same. So what I feel is, as a companies are not going to provide the same data to anyone. Second factor which I feel is the human intuition. Maybe I am working on any project and my intuition is totally different to present in some client. Suppose I'm working on a client basis and I am preparing up reports for the client, and my client intuition I know very well, but that wasn't in the notes, or that wasn't in the file noted down. But I know that what is the intuition of that particular client, and I have to work on that particular intuition and along with the analysis as well. But AI tool cannot match the human intelligence, because still AI tools lacks in context of. So this is the second factor which I feel. Third thing is, there are so many roles in data analysis. The third question which I get frequently in my DMs is that I am applying to 10 to 12 jobs in a day, but we are not getting any calls from the interviewers. So first reason about it is, you are just applying for the data analyst role. You are doing it wrong. First thing what I would recommend is, go update your profiles on each and every platform that you are using for your applications of job. If you are using LinkedIn, then also you have to update your LinkedIn profile. You have to keep on updating it with anything, maybe reposting someone post, or maybe writing a 1 or 2 line about your experience, or maybe the certification that you are doing or the projects that you are creating. You keep on updating your LinkedIn. Second thing is, if you are trying other platforms like Naukri.com or any other specific, like company specific, like if you are going with the career.microsoft.in, then it means you are going with the specifically company career page. Then also you have to make sure you are going to apply with the ATS friendly resume, but not only for the data analyst role. I'm repeating this because multiple learners or multiple freshers are doing the same mistake, that they are just applying for the data analyst role. Why I'm saying this and why, what is the reason basically is, data analyst is a specific role where you are not instructed to work on a particular domain data, correct? But if you are going to apply for other other analysis role, like financial analysis, operational analysis, HR analyst, and many more are there, why don't you apply for those roles? Why don't you try applying the role that you are interested in? Maybe in future I am interested in finance, so I can go and apply for the financial analyst. Second thing to note over here is that while applying, you also have to, like, there are some roles where 60% of the data analysis is required, like Power BI, you have to learn Python, you should have the knowledge of R. Then you also have to learn the foundational things like having Excel knowledge, SQL knowledge. All these things are primary things. There is one more thing that you need to make a note of it, that if you are going to upskill with the any other tool like Azure, AWS, all these platforms, all these tools which are trendy in market, every company is using. If you are going to learn any one of these tools, then you can upskill and you can get the job frequently. You can say, like, within a day. There are companies who are looking to hire but are not getting the candidate with all these tools. They are just focusing on 5 skills that you need: Excel, you need SQL, you need data analysis, you need to learn about the you need to learn about the business case studies. You have to also learn about the data analysis libraries and all. These are the basic thing. You have to learn Power BI. Yes, you have to learn Power BI, but there are multiple roles where your role will be to work on the data, but 60%, 40% will be your task to work on those tools to maybe collect data or deploy or extract the data. All these things are required. You have to learn about those tools. You should explore those tools, then only you can get the job. There are n number of jobs in market. Only your task is to upskill yourself with the Azure, AWS, and many more platforms are there, like cloud computing platforms also. You have to just learn one tool. Along with all these tools, along with all these data analysis requirement, you have to also learn one of these tools. You can go with AWS, you can go with Azure. These are trendy, that is why I am naming it again and again, so that you keep it in your mind and search about it. Go do Google, go onto the Coursera, edX, many platforms are providing this. AWS is provided by Amazon, so go onto the Amazon website directly. It's going to provide you the good resources for learning along with the certification that you require for this. So upskill yourself. Data analysis is still well-led role, and this will be in trend for next 10 years. So don't get afraid or don't get frustrated by just listening all these AI tools and new trendy tool. No, they all are here for their business, and data analysis is for the businesses. They still need data to train AI. Then how you're going to, like, these AI tools are also created by humans. So these tools are not going to replace any of the data analysts. You still have to upskill yourself and start applying immediately after updating your profiles. Make sure you have the good resume, good portfolio. There are key points that you need to make sure that you have. So I have already uploaded one post on Instagram, which link I have added in the description. Go check it out to update your profile and start up.